Snow is falling down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm seriously enjoying every bit of this Christmas preparation. I honestly don't want Christmas to be over, guys, but in today's video I'm going to share some inspiration. I'm going to share some motivation on how to get your living room, your home ready for the holiday season. And also this year I'm going with a winter Wonderland theme, and I absolutely love how everything came together.
As I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile, I can seem to look away.
You guys can tell I'm very happy, guys. Like, I'm absolutely happy. Not only is Christmas, but it's also my birthday month, so I'm extremely happy. So we're going to be starting with my tree, and like I said, this year we're going with a winter Wonderland theme. So basically I'm using all neutral palettes. I'm adding some balls. As you all can see, I have like a white ball, a silver ball, and then also I picked up this snowflakes ornaments. You know, most of these things I picked up from at home stores. At home stores is actually a very, like, I don't know how to explain it. They have, when it comes to Christmas, I give it up to them because, like, they have everything. They have unique things for Christmas. They have everything you need for Christmas. But anyways, you guys, I'm definitely trying to keep this tree as minimal as possible. I didn't want to overcrowd the tree because I'm gonna be adding some ribbons. Like you guys can see, I also added some flowers. Basically, everything I'm using for this tree is white and silver because we're going for that winter Wonderland theme. And over here, as you all can see, I have two different silver ribbons. So all I did was I cut you know, one part and then the other part, and then I put them together, as you all can see, and this gave me the perfect like glitter, because the other one, the one on my left, has a lot of glitter, and then the other one has kind of a net, you know, design on it, so it just made it look so good. And also for this tree, for my bedroom, I used the ribbon on my bedroom tree, but it was kind of another design from this one. I just wanted to add, you know, small portions of ribbon. So what I did was I just cut the ribbon in, I would say maybe 2-inch size, and then I'm going in, as you all can see, I just put the one end inside the tree, and then I just loop it around on the other part of the tree, and that is basically it. And then I'll use the tree branches to secure it, so that way even if you push the Christmas tree, you know, my ribbons are not gonna fall off. And this is basically what we have here. And as you all can see also, basically every place I have any hole on my tree, I just go in with my big ornaments and then use it to fill that space in. And then, as you all can see, I picked up few peaks, and I'm just going to add some peaks. And also my tree is giving me some masquerade inspiration, so it's as if I'm adding, you know, I'm adding hands to the masquerade. You guys are going to see how it would all come together by the time I add the top, you know, the tree top, which I used a hat this year. Usually we use stars, but this year I decided to go with a hat, and I absolutely just love how everything came together. And then these ornaments, I'm adding them to my what is this called again? Is this a rod? Yeah, I think that's a garland. Yeah, I think garland. I think a rod and a garland. I think this is a garland, guys. But anyways, I'm going ahead to kind of decorate my garland, you know, just put everything together, make everything very nice and icy.
All the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me?
Like I always say, guys, like decorating a Christmas tree don't have to be tedious. I used to shy away from decorating a Christmas tree before. I just add balls, you know, ball ornaments, and that's it. But basically all I do now is, once I have my ribbons, I have few peaks, and then a bow and maybe flowers. Flowers actually adds that very nice designer look, you know, to a tree. So I really do advise, like, it's basically 4 things: a pig, ball, ribbon, and flowers, and your Christmas tree is good to go. All right, so like I told you guys, as you all can see over here, I'm adding this hat top, for my tree. Usually we just add a star, but here I added a hat, and I absolutely love it. And then to finish up the Christmas tree, I went ahead and added some skirts, some Christmas skirts, so that way I'm able to hide the Christmas stand. And also I'm gonna go ahead and add some reindeer. You guys know, like, it can't be Christmas without reindeers, so I picked up these reindeers also from at home stores, and I absolutely love it. I just added the reindeers, and then also I'm gonna add some boxes, some Christmas decorative boxes under the tree, and that is basically it for my Christmas tree. I absolutely love how everything came together. And then of course you have to tie everything together, your tree, your garland, your chair, your coffee table, console table, everything got to all blend and match together. So I'm adding these decorative pillows. I picked this up actually from Home Goods, and I absolutely love it. I have the silver, I have the white on the chair, on the couch, which I absolutely love. And of course I can't leave my living room cabinets empty. Like, it has to be Christmas there too. So I added a decorative box. I'm adding these 3-in-1 Christmas tree decor piece, and also I decided to add this decorative Christmas tree right here, and I absolutely love it. And you guys know it can't be Christmas without your lanterns. And I also, actually, these lanterns have been in my living room for probably a year plus now, and I absolutely love it. So I decided to add, and the funny thing is the lantern also tied in with the silver and white, which I was so excited. Like, I was so happy about that. So I also went ahead and added my lanterns.
Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year?
And then for my coffee table, I'm gonna add a decorative tray, and then also I'm gonna add some decorative books. I just wanted my coffee table to have the mixture of everything. So I added some candle holder, and then these gorgeous candle, like Christmas tree candle. I absolutely love it. So I added that, and then of course you guys know I love my Tom Ford decorative books, because you can use this to anchor a lot of decorative piece. So also for my coffee table, I added that Christmas gift box. And then to finish up my tree, adding these decorative gift boxes, which I think it just filled in the space under my tree. And also I actually ordered more decorative boxes, but they didn't come in early, so they're supposed to be coming in this week. But anyways guys, of course you can't forget your stockings, so I decided to add my stockings. And also for the stockings, I'm using a white and also kind of a silver gray stocking. I'm adding 4 stockings under my TV stand. And oh my gosh, I don't know, I just feel like this year's actually, I always plan my next, my Christmas color a year before. So last year I was just going through everything. I was like, you know what, this year I would love to do kind of a white and silver, like a winter Wonderland Christmas theme, and I absolutely love how everything came together. And also of course you guys saw I added some what are those called again? I added some decorative piece on my console table, and then on my end table right here, I'm adding this frame that says Merry Christmas, also from at home stores. And also I decided to add a reindeer, and I decided to also add this Christmas globe. It's a decorative piece, and I absolutely love how everything came together. And with that, my living room is ready for Christmas. And of course we're not going to forget the hallway, because you walk from the hallway into the living room. So I decided to just jazz up my hallway a little bit. Usually I don't really do much for my hallway, but this year I was like, you know what, my hallway is gonna be looking like my living room. So as you all can see, I picked up this very gorgeous flux tree from Michael's. I actually kind of surprisingly, I went to Michael's during I think Black Friday or so, and this was on sale for I think $80 or so. I was like, this is gonna be perfect for this space, because that space right there is so tiny, so small, and I needed a very small tiny Christmas tree to go in that corner. And this particular tree was just like, it's as if it was made for that space. So basically I just added that tree, and then you guys, I'm so sorry I keep sniffing, like it's as if I'm coming down with a cold. But anyways, I'm just going ahead to add some decorative piece to the Christmas tree in my hallway, so that way it can tie together with my living room decor.
Really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we find love in this winter wonderland?
Please guys, can you take a moment and hit that like button? I notice you guys watch my videos, you enjoy it, but then some of you just forget. I always believe that you guys forget, so please help me hit that like button below. It really helps us. And yep guys, I'm just going ahead to add some of those decorative pieces I used in the living room. I divided them into a half and a quarter, so I am using the quarter to just add in the hallway tree. And also for my living room, for kind of above my I say living room, kind of above my hallway tree, I decided to add these peaks on them. And I just love how it all came together. I hope you guys are inspired. You guys already know I'm so in love with home decor, so I try as much as possible to bring home decor videos to you guys. Just inspiration, give you ideas on how to go about your own home. So it's not just about my home, it's also about your home, because you're able to grab some inspiration, some motivations to kind of help you do and get yourself in the Christmas mood already. And also above my console table in my hallway, I decided to add that wreath. Yes, that is called a wreath, and the other one is a garland. Like, I don't know why both of them always confuse me, but yep guys. So for my console table, I also went ahead and added these Christmas tree decor. And yep, for the middle, by the side of that, I also added this gorgeous reindeer. It was only I think $2.99 from Target. I loved it, so I added it there. And then for the middle, I'm adding a snowflakes decor and also a candle. And that is basically it for 2022 Christmas living room decor. I think this is all there is. Like, I think this is probably going to be my last Christmas no, I think the kids, we haven't even done the kids decorations, because we are waiting for their decor things to come in. It's crazy guys. But anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. Mwah.
Much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we find love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? special, cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winter.